Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use emotes in the finals. And to do this, by default on your keyboard you need to press H and you will perform your default emote. Or you can also hold H, that way you will open this wheel and you can switch between different emotes that you can perform. Another way is to open a settings. If this doesn't work for you, go to the mouse and keyboard, then scroll down and you should find your emote somewhere around here. Here it is. You can switch between different keys or see which one you need. On a controller, then you need to click on the controller right here, then scroll down and emotes are assigned to this button right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.